This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
Carino's Italian Grill was located in Doral, Miami Springs, at the center of Miami, making it accessible to most people. It exhibited a casual but alluring atmosphere. Carino's Italian Grill reminded Italians living in America of their traditions and cultures, which they missed because of staying away from their native land. It also gave me a chance to non-Italians to sample the delicate flavors associated with Italian cookery. The restaurant's interior was painted in dark colors. There was free password-protected Wi-Fi, gigantic television screens, and background music that played in a low tone so that the clients did not have to complain of loud music interrupting their meals. The decor was moderately done, and there was nothing extraordinary. The clients could choose whether to dine in the restaurant or bar sections. The service at Carino's Italian Grill was outstanding. The waiters were extremely friendly and helpful when it came to choosing food. The restaurant served adequate portions of most meals and offered free soda refills. The meals incorporated traditional Italian ingredients and flavors, especially the spices. The quality of service at Carino's Italian Grill was rated first class because the staff served meals promptly, within 20 minutes of customers placing their orders, just as the menu indicated. Carino's Italian Grill was a pricey restaurant, but one could overlook that fact going by the well-prepared large servings that it offered. One expected to pay expensively for similar meals in the classier restaurant chains like Carabas, but not at the Carino's Italian Grill. However, one could take advantage of happy hours and special rates to save money and still enjoy sumptuous meals. The high prices were probably because the restaurant was trying to fit in the same class as other highly rated restaurants. Another possible reason for the high prices was the cost of importing certain native ingredients from Italy. People from all walks of life, including children, teenagers, couples, and the elderly, frequented the restaurant. The hotel was excellent for children and groups. It took reservations and was accessible by wheelchair for the physically disabled customers. There was also the provision to pay using credit cards and carry food away from the eatery. A large amount of the food provided at the cafe originated from the United States, although a few ingredients were imported from Italy. The food was of moderate quality. It was impractical to rule out the presence of contaminating agents from food preservatives since some of the original Italian food was produced in Italy and thereafter exported to the United States of America before preparation in the restaurant. In fact, we overheard some diners complaining that their food tasted like canned beef. We thoroughly enjoyed the dining experience, especially the rich flavor of the food, the quality of service, and the fascinating ambience of the refectory. However, considering the relatively high food prices at Carino's Italian restaurant, I would only recommend the restaurant to anyone wishing to sample traditional Italian cuisine but with more money to spend. I would undoubtedly love to go back to Carino's Italian Grill with more people and sample the chicken scallopini. If you want to find more works like this essay on geography of food, restaurant review, head over to ivypanda.com. It has a collection of free samples with thousands of submissions covering virtually all academic subjects. No registration required to access it.